watching The Mandalorian, and the sky through my window, the big bay window, was calling me. We've had storms all day. I've been editing and I should have been out. It's now 9:10. Sunset is at 9:50. The sky is moving rapid, the winds are howling, and we're heading to my local tree at good old Crank Hill. Heart's pounding, racing to get here. Why did I leave it so late? Undecided, indecision. What do I do? Do I go? Do I not? Look at this. Look at this. You know when the sky's changing so quickly, and especially for a sunset. Breathe in. It can all change in a second, and let that sun come through, and we might get, this might all be for 5 seconds, but that's enough to get a dramatic, explosive moment of light and dark, clouds, menace, rain. This isn't storm chasing, this is just landscape photography. Oh, I just looked over that fence and there's a cloud bursting, torrent of rain, and I'm walking straight for it. Oh, there's a good possibility that I've just legged it all this way for absolutely nothing. But that's the gamble, and I've walked out and wow, it's looking like it always does. This is just a wonderful, my local place. I absolutely adore this place. And my tree, there's 2 trees actually, but the one closest to us is the one I absolutely love. I think I'm just gonna have to just quickly get the big lens out and get a quick shot of this, because there's some mood there, really is. Handheld, no filters, straight bang, here we go. I just took a couple of shots there, long lens, swap lenses, and I'm racing up to get tighter on the tree for a better composition. But I think I've got to get in this field, and I've just seen a path where there's no wheat. I'm not doing any damage. Right. Oh, it's going pink, it's lighting up. Wow. I think I'm about to get soaked. Yeah, it's dropping behind me. Mally Moses again. Parting of the clouds. Although I don't think I'm going to miss that bastard. Right, let's get some shots. So the rain's starting to bounce down. I'm taking 3 exposures. Ridiculous this. I'm bracketing. I've put a 6-stop on just to get a little bit of movement in the cloud. Give it a bit of drama. How can you add more drama? But I'm trying, because it's just heavy. It's floating so slowly. But this big, huge rain cloud's coming over the top of me. Yeah, so it's wipe down, shoot, wipe down, shoot. We're going to head up a bit further, I think, see if I can avoid this rain, because the edge of the cloud is there. Because come on, Is it gonna light up? Is it gonna do it tonight? Look at this. I've shot this tree so many times now. It feels like an old friend. Coming here is just a joy, a respite from the struggle of life and all the shit that's going on in the world. It just feels so good to be here with the furrows and the fields and the trees and the sky spinning above your head. Look at this. Incredible. That storm cloud that was over me is just bursting over to the left, and all these just kind of huge cumulus nimbus are spinning around and joining together and transforming. Every single second I turn around and it's something different. Right, look at that on the horizon that I've just seen. I always make the fatal mistake of heading up, going up further to try and catch that sun. Should we stay put tonight? I think tighter. Let's get tighter. What am I on? Oh, 28 mil. So I'm quite tight there. But we'll move up a bit further. Come on. Ah, yes, it's opening up on the horizon. What we're getting is some of the lower cloud and the light. I haven't actually looked at all at the horizon. I couldn't see if the sun will be blocked out by cloud. I think this is tight enough here. We're getting a few distractions now in the background with other trees coming in. If you get down lower, I'll show you. You get down lower and we should be able to exclude some of those distractions and keep it all about the tree and the sky. We've lost a wavy line now of the track. And I know this because I do it every time. You get tighter and you end up with a path that slightly leads you out the frame to the next tree, and then you've got the telegraph poles, which again are a distraction. I'll get rid of them. Damn right. It's my composition. Let's make it look how I want it to look. It's all about those trees, mainly this tree, the sky, and just the wonder of nature. I don't care about the fact that the tree's blowing as well, all that movement. It's really giving it the Kate Bushes. It really does show what's happening. Look at this now behind me. That's just passed over Mally Moses. Oh, that's a bit dark over there, isn't it? That's a wee bit tasty, slightly frightening. Stood here, again, in the middle of a field. Wow. Right, a few quick shots here, and then I think we're done. So let's stay cool, take a breath, keep calm, enjoy what's happening. Think more about the composition, think more about the light, take into consideration the fact there's a massive storm cloud behind me, and always keep judging. Are you in a safe place here? Probably not. I'm running up that road, I'm running up that hill. I'm running up that road, I'm running up that hill. Yes, the Kate Bush moment. I think I'm going to claim that one. Look at that. I've got to be running up that hill. That's for certain. Sticking with the tree. Stick with the tree, Mally. Focus. Stick with the tree. Look at that. So when this goes out, the competition on Let's Create, that's the Facebook group that I've started and run. Quick little plug there. So if you go to Facebook, search for Let's Create, click can I join, answer the question, very simple. Will you do as you're told? Will you behave yourself, or are you going to just be naughty and post silly things? It's a group of people that come together as a community in photography, and we all share very much similar interests but all shoot different things. And it's not just about photography as well, it's about any kind of art form, any kind of way that you can create something that is yours, that is art, that is just hopefully inspiring to others. So come over, join Let's Create, go to facebook.com, search Let's Create, and I'll add you, and come and join in the fun and see when I start shouting it's happening, it's happening. Possibly not tonight, but it's still wonderful, so moody and dramatic. So I hope you've enjoyed the ramblings of a mad photographer. Shut up, camera. Your long exposure days are over, pal. We're going home. Right, I'm talking to the camera, so it is most definitely time to quit. He says, taking one more shot. It's just wonderful. We're in blue hour, and we're well in blue hour. I just didn't realise sunset didn't happen. I just got so carried away with the drama and the fun of it all that even a sunset didn't happen, and I wasn't bothered because we've got these wonderful clouds. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And you know what to do. Hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you want to see more, or you want to get a notification, hit the bell. And well, there's only one thing left to say, and that's Sithee from Crank Hill.